It's me again, and really looks like it's necessary to make a video about how you get to diameter when you want a diameter for a ring, for example. Because if you ignore this comment here, and I was also criticized for being like real mean, so I'm gonna be really polite this video. As you can see, this is a lot of stuff. This is here looking at 0.8, so different afterwards Stadia. Well, yeah. So thankfully, he does the math for us down here. Where is it? Ignore this friendly debate here. Okay, it is. Okay, so he has 50 Stadia here, right? Because and beginning from the sea, they dug a canal 300 feet in width and 100 feet in depth and 50 stadia in length, which they carried through to the outermost zone, making a passage from the sea up to this. Now, I will show in paint why you don't add this to mathing out a diameter, okay? Now let's make a good version of Atlantis here, for example. We need that for later. We're 5 rings. I might just make 3 and you can visualize the others, because it's not really that relevant. But I will try my best here, guys. Yeah, sure, this is enough. And then we should probably color in like blue. We gotta be nice and proper. This is the first, and we have like blue. That's green actually, I'm not colorblind. Then just imagine more, We can make this brown. Okay. Now, this is the outermost zone, right? They have a harbor. They have a little harbor here. Just a harbor. And then, surprisingly, they have a canal. And now this canal, it goes to the harbor. And that one is 50 stadia long from the ocean. You can say the ocean is down here. Here's the ocean. That's 50 stadia in length. And if you can notice by this length doesn't actually help us with this diameter at all. But you know what? We can be really cool and pretend that, yeah, it does add up. It's actually that it's perfect makes sense for that to be part of the diameter math. Then we can continue here. Now the larger of the zones into which a passage comes from the sea, 3 southern breadth, zone of land which came to the unique web, okay? Zone of waters of land, 2 so we have 5 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wow, that makes perfect sense, right? If we have 5 rings, we know exactly the distance for all these 5 rings, so we can now math out the diameter. But then again, there's water between every single one of the rings, right? So that will make it kind of difficult to actually get a proper, an exact amount for this. So that doesn't work. And further down, we also no, he wrote exactly actually Plato. I didn't even read about this part. It's just my bad research, as it says here. Where is the no research? I apologize. I didn't know that Plato said exactly where it was, which is about the Pillars of Hercules or something, which is like Galtabra, the little tip of Spain and Morocco. So yeah, this is also okay. Let's not bully Shane for being like, I'm not gonna say brain damage because that's mean, but something is up here. But he calls me incredibly biased. But let's take a look deeper here. Well, yeah, Cyrus Discourse looks like it's a good place. Let's see here. No, it's just a bunch of conspiracy alien shit. Oh, okay. So that's why, he has to debunk me by failing math completely, which is a bummer, a real bummer. Hmm. But that's fine. It's cool. Math is difficult, I know, but yeah, hopefully you'll accept my really polite message here. I will accept apologies from people in the chat. I will thumbs them up, so thank you. Hopefully this shows well, what's wrong here. Math is hard. I agree. Thank you for your time. Goodbye. And I will probably make more conspiracy stuff. But by the way, I'm not gonna call them stupid. But thankfully, defines what stupid means as well. So yeah, it was a good lesson there from Shane, and I appreciate it, buddy. I will see you later.